Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I'm Deka, Daya from ABUJA Mom. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a stay-at-home mom and a YouTuber based here in Abuja. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this very simple makeup look. This is like kind of a let me just go out kind of look. Let me not just look as if I'm suffering the most kind of look. So please give me a big thumbs up and keep watching. So the first thing I do is to go in with my brows, which is a really important step. Like, you need to do your brows. I feel like when it comes to school runs, you don't want to do too much, but you still want to look good. And if you're like me, that like to look good, then it's very important. So I'm going in with this black opal foundation in beautiful bronze. It's not too bright, that's why I'm using it. So I'm going in with this color to set my eyes. When it comes to school runs makeup, I don't really apply a lot of I don't really like do these kind things. I just do really easy things, so that because it's kind of a look that you just want to wear, like depending on how far your kids' school is or are, whatever, you're going to wear that makeup for not more than 1 hour. Let me even say you're going far, so why do something hot? So the next thing I do is to just apply some mascara, and what I'm going to be using is this classic makeup lengthening and volumizing mascara. But there's something I do which helps me to really volumize the mascara, because you know how it is, they'll tell you volumize it, it will not volumize anything. Or as I'm not a professional, maybe I don't really know how to volumize it, but I'm going to be showing you what I really do to help at least a bit. So I'm applying some petroleum jelly. You can use any one you have. I use Familia. What's this? Oh, there's a stain on it, sorry. So I use Familia petroleum jelly. So I'm just applying this on my lashes. And I like how smooth this slides on. I used to use Cuisines before, and it's so thick. It's so difficult to spread this around my lashes. But this one works really fine. So who else is watching Rumor Has It? That program is really interesting. I watch it on YouTube, and as soon as it lands, I'm watching it. I really relate to the story. I don't know why. Then this other one, this MTV Sugar, oh my gosh, like I just love how, you know, before they used to do like the African one, I feel like most of us couldn't relate to it, because every country, even though we have some similarities, every country has their own special, you know, some things that they really do like that are different. So I liked how they did the Niger version, and it's really I can really relate to it, to the storyline, the school part. I can relate to it so well. Even though the school we went to, we didn't have like Mean Girls as per MTV Sugar, but then I can relate to it. So I'm going in with this kajal, which is really cheap. I got it for like 250, 300. I would say market. So if you're in Abuja, you know where we say market is, and you know where to get it. So the next thing I'm going in with is this Pond's Lasting Oil Control Instant Shine Free Look Vanishing Cream for very oily skin. So this is it. So I'm just going in with that to help with, you can see I have a lot of things on my face. You know that period when things are just happening, when you're cooking stew. So I'm kind of having some things on my face, like really visible. And if you've been following me, you know I did a video on this Miniso facial scrub, or that thing, I can't even remember the name again. Can you imagine? So I've been using it lately, but I've been using it once a day. I just feel like that thing is too harsh to be using twice a day, so I've been using it. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to be applying this on my skin. I've not used this before, but I've seen a lot of people using it, and I like the smell. So I was supposed to buy something else, but the smell was like something else. Anything that make my face smell nice, in case of kissing and you know now. I love how it clears away from the skin, because one of my fears was like, as I'm dark, will it just come and gum one place? I will not look like Ojuju Calabar. So I like how it clears. So truthfully, I don't apply foundation or all those things on my face. When it comes to school runs things, I don't do that. So I'm not going to do that for anything. I want to do like the way I usually do it. I want to do it that way, so we won't have an issue where I'm doing something else, I'm showing you something else, and I'm not doing it. So the thing I usually do is to apply, I always highlight my face, even if I don't have makeup. So far I'm going out of my house, even if I'm just going to go and, okay, no, not every time, but even if I'm just going out to go and like buy something, I always highlight my face. And I'm going to be using this 650 naira highlighter, which I got also in ABUJA. So ABUJA is really a good place. You can get most of the things you want, and it's a neighborhood store. If you know ABUJA in Lagos, then you already know the feel. So I'm just trying to blend the primer on my face. So I'm just going in with it, and this is what the color looks like. The face has cleaned, you know, it's all this chipe, so what they call dupes. So this is what the color looks like. So I'm just going in with that, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my face. So I try to make my highlight really soft, but I always like it to show. So the next thing I'm going in with is a nude lipstick, which I would say I don't do it every time, but sometimes I do it. So I'm done with my face, guys. I'm going to take care of my hair. You know the drill, how I like to snatch my hair, and I'll be back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what you think. And have you seen my video, the mom tag video, which I did with D Babalola, Mrs. D Babalola on YouTube? Please go check it out and let me know what you think. And also, I love you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye.